Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. It's PaigeShaian. If you're new, just stopping by, don't go too soon. Press that subscribe button and continue to check me out. If you're returning, thank you so much for the love and support and continue to take this journey with me. Today, y'all, we are installing that same wig, that video I posted last week. We're installing that same U-part wig on my client. And I am very excited for you all to see this, how the outcome came out, and all the things, y'all. I think I'm actually about to start selling U-part wigs because I just love this whole process. So again, she is getting the 16-inch deep wave or deep curly wig. She has 3 bundles that I installed on the U-part, hand sewed. I already measured her from her previous appointment when she got a silk press. So the wig fit perfectly on her head. I feel like with U-part wigs though, I won't lie, I feel like there's never really like an exact match, right? So if when I say it fit perfectly, meaning she didn't have any tension, she didn't have anything pulling, she really didn't want even clips on her head because we actually sewed it down. So I still gave her a treatment. I shampooed, conditioned, blew her out, gave her a trim because we're really looking to maintain and grow her hair out. So I still gave her a really good foundation so her braids have just a good grow out process underneath of her wig. As you can see, I moisturized her scalp. I did moisturize her hair, and we are about to install this wig, y'all. I made the duration of time for this appointment for 2 hours. I actually put it under a freestyle because I don't have the service just yet on my booking link. So, and we completed in 2 hours. Really, I spent a lot of time on styling, but other than that, it was a very quick process. So this is just me putting the wig on her head just to kind of place it how I want to. She did have some leave out on the sides, so if her hair, blew in the wind or whatever the case may be, it was easy for her to cover. So now I'm just sewing around the perimeter. Another thing too, which I mentioned in my last video for the U part, you don't want to sew on the actual elastic of the cap because it could mess up how it stretches. So I was mindful of that as well as I was sewing this U part wig onto her head. So we're just sewing it to her perimeter into her anchor braids, and then we styled this bad boy. Okay, it was an easy install. I am not gonna lie, y'all. So if this is something you want to consider, I highly consider it for you. We did do a leave out. Again, it's very minimal. She has a very minimal leave out. And she'll just be mindful of that because she'll also wear it at its natural state. We are styling it today. I'm going to cut it up, put it in layers as she requested, and we're going to curl it up with she wanted some false set feather curls. Came out so beautiful, y'all, I'm telling you. But you're just going to sew this perimeter down and then continue as if you just did a regular traditional sewing.
Ain't too late for things to fall into place. Let's take it slow on my pace. I heard you, are you on your way? I can't escape. You're in too deep. We're losing sleep. This feeling's so real. My body's calling for you. Don't you know my body's always calling for you? You know my body's always calling for you. I can't help that, I'm always aching for you. You know my body's always calling for you. Say you love me, I don't mind. Come inside, try to keep your eyes on mine tonight. Take control and light my fire, so let's ride. that. Take me right back. Say you want that. Let me please you. Cater to you. Boy, I want you. Don't you know my body's always calling for you? You know my body's always calling for you. I can't help that, I'm always aching for you. You know my body's always calling for you.
Now we're about to blend her leave out with the wig. As you can see, even if she wanted to wear this in a natural state, just like big fluffy, it's like perfect. It's like a traditional sewing, y'all. It's still flat. She can still have, that blend. She can throw on a headband. She can do like 2 braids if she wanted to, wear it crinkly. And it was just amazing. And I haven't done these in so long, and I sometimes I just forget about the other options out there because I'm so used to doing like my routine stuff on my booking site. So I was really happy and excited when she did ask me, because I was also contemplating if I wanted to give another option for U-part wigs, because something else that's really good for it is because she wants layers and it's already sewed to the cap. We can take this off, put it on, and the layers are going to be in the same exact space, opposed to reinstalling the bundles and then having to recut because you don't know, because your layers are naturally just going to move around when you reinstall your bundles. So that's also nice, and it's just a great idea overall, especially for those who want bobs and wants to continue to wear the bob, because with the bob you really can't re-glue or re-sew without having to cut again. So I think I want to start offering this as a service. I got to figure out how I want to do it, like the advance notice, just because it did take me a little time to make it. But I also want to ensure that, I fit for my client and their head and make sure we have the right measurements. So I'm just styling as I would with a normal traditional sewing. I did her leave out. This is for the one side, and then I'm going to make my way to the other side, and then we're going to go in and cut her layers as she requested. I did use my biggest inch T3 that I currently have. I got to get the actual measurement for you guys so you guys know. She did show me she just wants it like feathery, very layered, very like old Hollywood curl. Not even Hollywood curls, because those are more waves, but like just old fluffy curls. The picture she sent me was very cute, very inspiring. So I figured this would be the perfect inch and a perfect iron to use, just to give her those flips that she were looking for, that nice feathery look, just bouncy and just very carefree of curl. So we're going to do this throughout her whole head. This is the deep curly hair. It can be pressed out. It is a little more textured when it's pressed out, just because it is meant to wear at its natural state. But when she washes it and wets it, she will be able to wear it at its natural curl pattern as well. So that is good, because that also gives some versatility on the different styles that you can wear, especially with summertime coming. I know that was something for her, that she doesn't want to keep putting a lot of heat to her hair, but only when she comes and gets it maintenance and styled. So I'm excited for you guys to see the results. I absolutely love the results. My sections are not small. Again, we just want it to be nice and flowy and nothing tight, but nothing like that there's no curl at all. So just stick around. You'll see how the results come out for this U-part wig.
I am making matches. I'm creating matches. They can undo my shit. How about using some flashy? Live my life with no regret.
So this is the outcome of her beautiful curls. It's nice and flowy, very just like lightweight, free, especially with the layers. She loved it. This is 16-inch again. It is a little bit longer. I feel like my vendor always gives extra length, which we love, right? We're not going to complain about that. So it's a nice natural length, especially for springtime and just, getting up and laying your hair down. Okay. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. One thing I do want to mention, she did say that the wig just feels very light, no tension. I made sure that it was comfortable on her head. She loved it. So don't forget to comment, like, subscribe to my channel, y'all. Definitely feel free to share. Go back to this video and however many times you need just to see how the install process goes or how the curling technique goes, and stick around for new videos. Comment down below what styles you would like to see on my channel. Again, I'm a natural hairstylist, natural install stylist, so traditional installs, traditional quick weaves, tape-ins, K-tips, and now you part wigs, along with silk presses, etc. I very much believe in healthy hair, but also just giving you the hairstyle that you want for your confidence and to feel just extra beautiful, So again, don't forget to comment, like, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video.